Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So I will make it quick in this video because not too much has happened since the last video. Basically not really a change. We can take a look at the micro level, but you know that this is sometimes unreliable, and nevertheless I wanted to give you the midday update for Ethereum, but I want to make it quick and rather focus on some more altcoins. I'd like to do another Yasmi, is it Yasmi? Jasmy, I don't know, update. A few people asked me for that, and yeah, I just want to look at the altcoins because we have some interesting developments. So let's quickly take a look here at Ethereum. Here we have the possibility. I didn't talk about that in the previous video, but updated the channel members in the previous few sessions here, on the previous few hours, that we have here, and you might not see that in red here, an ABC structure that is developing in the wave 4. That's the bearish possibility. Like Bitcoin also bounced off a resistance, Ethereum did the same, but this would be the bearish perspective. To make that more likely, it would now need to break below the 1605 level. Until then, we could see it here currently as a 5-wave move to the upside, even though I have to tell you, this would have to be some kind of a diagonal pattern here, yeah, because it's quite messy. So I don't have much. It looks quite corrective, this move to the upside. That is why I count the possibility, or count it also as a possible B wave. And again, I said it in the previous video, Ethereum is really in no man's land. We have corrective moves to the upside, we have corrective moves to the downside. The problem is that you can't really distinguish at the moment. Even here, this wave 1 occurred only in 3 waves. Yes, I know I could put the wave 1 here, then I've got a possible 5-wave move, but you can also count it as a 3-wave move. Then it would suggest that the wave 3 is, or that all of this is an ending diagonal, which means the wave 1 is an ABC, which means the wave 3 is an ABC, which makes the whole thing extremely choppy, hard to trade, and that's why I said we don't really have an edge here. I wouldn't really touch it too much at the moment. Maybe with a small position, whatever, if you want to trade this, but we are in a channel. You can expect headwinds. I mean, you can see how horrible this would be to trade. I mean, it's just you get headwinds, you don't reach ideal targets, you know, it's the constant up and down, and suddenly when you think the market is breaking out, it makes a turnaround. And that's sometimes just a good, you know, sometimes just a good sign to wait for clearer skies. So yeah, you know, we have, because of this issue, that we have corrective moves up, corrective moves down. This can be an ABC, which is unfolding, but again, to get more evidence for that, it needs to break below 1605. It could be on the way up, surely. Yeah, we talked about that. It broke out of the wedge. Told you in the previous video, it would be best either to take some profits or move up the stop loss. Anybody who did that could realize some profits, because this has touched now the wedge again. Now again, this is another possible support. You could trade this. There's lots of different trade setups. Question is, are they really reliable? And in my opinion, not at the moment, because then let's face it, everything is possible in here. We have the possibility, as long as we are in this channel, that the market is going down in this ABC. It's a possible count, absolutely valid Elliott Wave count. You have a possible wave 1 to the upside and the wave 2 down, and we could now be in a 3, but this would most likely be a diagonal, so the move up is going to be choppy. Or because you have so much up and down and correctiveness and 3 waves up, 3 waves down, this could still be a boring wave 4 triangle. Believe it or not, all of this could still be this wave 4 in a triangle, or even this, sorry, bloody wave 4 in a triangle. But I would rather count it as this wave 4, because let's face it, you know, you could have your wave 3 here. We could say that maybe this was the A wave, this was the B wave, this was the C wave. We're now moving up in D and could come down once more in E, and then you finish off your 4th wave here, and then you could move up. Unfortunately, everything is possible. I would not really trade this. There at the moment best charts to trade, and just wait until we have a clear impulsive structure here that would make sense to trade. Until then, you are, or we are here in very choppy waters, and there's no reason to make the video any longer, really. Yeah. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.